family.
Hello.
So James already say hi. Yes, guys. So it's almost winter here in Ohio. So Dominic said it's gonna be the last hiking for baby James and also for us. Outfit check. Ta-da-da. Hi, James. Are you ready? So this is James' outfit, guys. Hindi pa kami nakakain ng breakfast and it's almost 1:30 p.m. So dadaan na lang daw kami ng McDonald's or somewhere. Fast food.
Yeah. I haven't eaten breakfast yet.
Are you okay? Look at James, guys, how he used the pacifier. So the nipple, guys, hinahawakan niya, tapos yung kinakagat niya is tong handle. Look at him, guys. Look at that kid. That's the proper use of pacifier, James. Show them, James, how to use the pacifier.
Good job, James. Hindi
kasi si James nasanay, guys, ng pacifier since nung bata siya. Kaya ganyan. So for him, it's just like a toy. And Daddy's right there.
Hello.
We're waiting for him.
Wait for me.
Yeah, he's looking for some. He's checking the direction, guys. What do you think we're gonna eat?
Oh, either Wendy's or McDonald's.
McDonald's. So it's like fast food. Para mabilis lang kainin, guys, habang nagda-drive. I think from here in our house, going to the High Banks, it takes us like at least 45 minutes.
Probably 40 minutes, yeah.
40 minutes. It depends kapag hindi pa siya traffic. Pero kapag traffic siya, so of course, mapapahaba pa yung biyahe natin. Ito yung bagahe ni James, guys. We got his baby carrier. Meron din siyang blanket if in case na malamig dun. Kasi sa ilalim ng kahoy, normally malamig siya kaysa sa labas. And then, ito yung diaper bags niya. Meron na siyang hot water right there. Tapos regular water niya. Are you excited? Guys, thank you so much for watching our vlog. Look at my feet, guys. Palis na kami ng bahay, guys. Oh, magama. I'm so happy. Are you riding a roller coaster?
You're so heavy. Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
You hear his laugh? Alis na kami ng bahay. Andito na kami sa road. On the road na kami, guys. Open baby James para makita nyo din siya. Oh, he's so happy. Wow. Are you ready? Huh? Oh, tingnan nyo, guys, yung paa. We love you, Poy Poy. Someone is sleepy.
Hey. Alright, though.
So we're going to get some food first. Tapos, if we're almost there sa aming hiking destination, bibili kami ng Starbucks coffee para dadalhin namin habang naglalakad kami.
Yes. Yeah, food first. I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. I got some banana, guys.
2 o'clock.
Kasi hindi na talaga kaya. Mag-2 o'clock PM na. Wala pa kaming breakfast. And actually, we're only eating twice a day now.
Usually.
Yeah. Look outside, guys. It's sunny. It's a nice weather today. It's 72 outside. Look at that. And it's already fall in here, but the weather is so nice. Tingnan yung mga kahoy. Wala na siyang leaves. Nagkalalaglag na lahat, guys. Yeah, really? Huh? James?
Again.
Okay, he always throw all his toys right there. I can't reach, guys, so I normally just pick it up whenever we arrive. Guys, tingnan niyo yung music na pinapatugtog ni Dominic. He really loved that song. Can you sing that?
I don't know the words yet. I like the tune.
Yeah, that's his favorite song, guys.
One was my first favorite.
Yeah.
One. Who's that
Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, Sa dilaw na buwan. Like that, guys. That's his favorite Filipino music. Guys, order na kami ng food namin. Sabi ko kay Dominic kahit anong
Alright, we're ready.
basta malaki. Yung malaki kasi last time.
Yeah,
kasi,
we're gonna
guys,
do one of your Big Macs, number one, just the sandwich and a medium fry, no drink.
ang liliit ng price, guys. Tingnan nyo. Mahal na mga bilihin ngayon. Dominic's burger. So small. So small this burger, guys. That's inside. Bacon and cheese. This is my burger. It kind of like boring.
That's boring?
Yes, not colorful as yours.
Huh?
Yeah.
Mine's colorful.
Yeah, they have like onions.
Well, if I have a tomato on mine, you can take it off and put it on yours.
Yeah, like no tomato, guys.
On
Just
yours
like,
is supposed to be the Big Mac.
yeah, nothing. Look,
Big
That's
Mac
it.
is supposed to have like everything.
like lettuce.
You can take my tomato.
Yeah, that's mine, guys, but at least it's more bigger. And meron din kami dito chicken nuggets. Babe, how many for me here?
50-50.
50-50 daw.
Yeah, I just randomly bought them. I didn't know if I was gonna be big
So,
enough.
6 na piraso, guys. Tigna tatlo-tatlo kami. Time to eat! Are you okay? Abo. Abo. Oh, this baby is so cute. So long. Look at his feet, guys. Yeah. Abo, abo. Are you doing the gymnast? Abo. Abo. Gymnastic, yun yung baby ko ba? Guys, kain tayo. Burger. Burger. Messi. Messi number.
Yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
James. Are you excited? Come here. Excited yan?
Excited. Where are we at? Where is this?
Hi guys, we are here na. James is excited. Look at their hair. Open, remove your hat, babe. I
My
know.
hair's a mess.
Guys, James
You
and
can see it right
Dominic
there.
is the same color hair.
I think mine's a little lighter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at their hair.
His hair's between me and Mama's.
It's so bland.
Brown.
I'm brown.
She keeps calling it blonde, which is like yellow hair. Where are we at? What are we doing?
Hola, nandito na kami guys sa aming hiking destination. Nakaupo na si Baby James, guys. Ready na siya. Pinasuotan ko siya ng pants kasi medyo mahangin ngayon sa labas. Mainit siya, guys, pero ang hangin niya. So, let's see. Kasi iba kasi yung weather kahit na mainit siya. Pero pag once na nasa ilalim kayo ng mga puno, ayun, medyo malamig na siya. So, nagbabago yung temperature niya. Para sigurado, pinasuotan na lang namin siya ng pajama. Ayan! And then, naghihintay pala kami kay Daddy kasi nag-ihi siya. And Daddy is right here.
You ready, James?
Ready na siya, Dad!
Ready? We'll get the
Yeah.
car off.
Ayan, excited. He's so happy, guys. Si Baby James kasi, guys, outdoor baby. Ito siya. Gusto niya laging nasa labas kami. Kasi nung nasa tiyan pa siya ni Mami, lagi kami nag-hiking ni Dominic. Which is good. Okay, alis na kami, guys. Start na kami. By the way pala, ayan to na pala yung Starbucks namin.
Where's baby carrier?
It's in front. So, ito na pala yung Starbucks namin. Medyo mainit-init pa siya, guys. Mainit na mainit pala, hindi medyo. Look at the kid, he's so excited. Are you okay? Hello, guys! Hello, everybody!
He loves his hikes,
I
huh?
love the hiking. Look at the surroundings, guys. It's so
Me and
pretty.
Harold used to come here all the
It's cold
time.
now.
We used to come here all the time to hike before that. We had our third party joined. So this was our go-to place.
Yeah.
Now we moved further away from it, and it was
45 minutes away.
yeah. When we did live close, we weren't really baby carrying him on hikes yet. So.
Yeah, I'm still pregnant that time, guys. Nasa belly ko pa siya.
Or even when he was born, we lived close for about 4 months. Anyways, we weren't doing big hikes with him. Now we are.
This is the first time.
He loves it.
Yay!
Look at all the leaves.
Guys, they have some dragon hunt right here.
Another one right here.
Ayan guys, meron silang dragon hunt. May nakita na kaming 4. We already saw 4. And
5.
this is the 5th one right here. Ta-da! We got one here. So this is the 5th one na. Ayan. And that's one of the dragon right there. Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Our old hiking place.
James. James.
What are you doing?
James.
You
Are
having
you
fun?
happy?
And then in like 30 minutes, he'll be like passed out.
Yeah. So while he still have energy,
Yeah, he uses all of his energy as soon as we get here.
look at that.
Just put my
Look at his face.
Good job, James.
Are you okay?
What are you doing? I like the flapping hands.
Hi, James. Hi.
What's he doing? Got his feet going?
Yeah, it's so pretty in here. Look at the color. No more green, guys. It's all orange because it's fall
Yellows
na.
and reds.
Oh. Tingnan niyo yung mag-ama. Pick up the green.
Grab one.
Grab one.
Excited? I get
Yeah.
crazy.
James! Wow! It's so pretty in here.
Oh, you recording?
Yeah. Ooh. Hi!
What's your mama doing? You running, James? He's like, guys, let's go. He's trying to kick me like a horse. Like, come on, Dad. Let's go. Bring your feet. Crazy. Oh, my legs tired already. Get it started. Yeah.
I'm so happy though. James!
Say, Mama.
We are here, guys. One of the
Stopping
destination, overlook.
Yeah.
Tingnan nyo guys, yung mga plants. Parang nasunog lang. Diba? James!
He's carving his name.
You wanna write your name too?
He already wrote this. Lanka M and M. L and M. RP. What are you gonna write?
So ito siya guys, overlooking. Yan. May chair din siya dito. Gusto mo magpahinga. Ayan. Diba? Mayroon dun sa kabila. Yung mag-ama may sariling mundo.
What? Pick it up. Standing.
Pick it up. Dali.
I'm trying to get him to stand.
Pick it up.
Get those feet. That's a good one.
Wow.
On
Do you like it? Abo ah. Abo.
There might be some spiders in there.
He's so excited. It's been a while though.
I did a hike like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took him on a hike the other day, but it's not like
This
this one. But ours is, I guess it's okay, but
is
you
different.
know the one around the lake.
Yeah. This one is like so nice.
Yeah, we like being
It's a big
in the
one.
woods, under the trees. And it's nice.
Hi. Hi, buddy. Tululaway man ikaw, buddy.
You hot back here?
Bud. Buddy, tululaway.
What do you think? Good job.
He's enjoying his leaves.
Yeah, we gave him one earlier. We took it away. He's like angry. It's his angry face. Is that a tree? Tree.
Wow. It's really nice. Look. Wow.
There's a spider right there.
It's so nice. You feel that?
Want me to hit the
Ting,
spider?
ting, 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 ting.
You just knocked the spider off. Do you feel it?
No? Yay! So cool, huh? Wow.
Good job, buddy.
Ah. It's rough.
It's like a big stick.
This is our favorite spot.
My favorite spot's in the woods.
Oh, it's my favorite spot, guys.
This is your favorite spot?
It's nice. Pretty.
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, you like
Ooh.
the good part.
Open area siya, guys, pero may mga plants siya. Tingnan nyo naman yung flowers. Look at it.
They're all dead right now.
Ooh. It's kind of like nasunog.
They're all drying up.
Dominic doesn't like this kind of path. He likes under the tree.
Yeah, all in the woods.
Oh, look at that trees, guys. It's so pretty. All orange.
Hi, James.
Hi, Dada.
Come
He's
on.
trying to like let his back rest because he's so wet right now.
Yeah, sweating.
Yeah. What's it?
Smiling. Like a chill smile, like sleepy almost. James. Windy.
Daddy, look, Daddy did it right too. Oh. Wow.
I'm not filming good. James.
James, are you okay? Why you're not smiling anymore?
Getting sleepy.
1, 2. Psst. James, what is that, James? Kuya. Shh.
I'm focused, Mom.
You find your leaves again? Huh?
Yeah. How's it feel? Like the grass? The grass? Grass?
Nandito kami sa mga playground ng mga bata. Si James pagod na, guys, hindi na siya nakangiti. Yung kape namin. Meron pa siya natira pero ayoko na, guys. So ito yung playground. Doon nag-aalaga kami sa mga pamangkin ni Dominic. Dito namin sila dinadala, guys. Ayan. Tapos ito yung surroundings. Ang gaman doon. Look who's standing! Nakatayo na ang baby Afam natin.
James, look.
Wow!
Where's it going? Good job.
Wow!
Oh, no.
Yay!
Wow.
He's standing by himself too, guys.
Wow.
Look at him.
Yeah, he's got a good grip here.
He's holding right here.
Put your foot up.
Can't wait for you, babe. Bring you here all the time. I'm playing with the kids. La la la.
Hi, James. What are you doing?
Okay. He didn't even hold.
Make sure it doesn't pop out.
Wow.
He's a bumblebee.
Huh?
You can tell he's tired.
Ding, ding, ding.
James.
Yes. Ooh. Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you think?
This kid guy is too much energy still. We already arrived and we're done with our hiking. And look at the energy. It's so full charge.
Okay, my biceps go.
Yeah, so we're gonna feed James before we travel back home. Feeding time. Straight away, huh?
Mm-hmm.
He's enjoying the view. Look at this view. And still have sun, babe. Too.
Don't distract them.